searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes.
Alright guys, I'm at Heritage Park here in Stony Plain, Alberta. Checking out Murals. A little bit windy today, sorry my friends. But let's go for a ride and check it out. And I'm out on Dale's bike. Welcome to my channel, my friends. We are two gringos on the golf here in Stony Plain, Alberta, Canada, at Heritage Park on the hunt for murals. Now, there's murals all over this town. I've shown you a few already. Now today we're gonna go looking for some more. So here's another beautiful one here, this beautiful building. There is a museum here too, but we're not gonna go in today. We're just gonna check out the murals, my friends. Very nice, very nice. Alright guys, let's get a closer look at this bad boy here. Very, very nice. Oh, we'll go on the hunt. I got a map here. We'll go look for some more murals. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. I really appreciate it. Be sure to give us a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go, let's go. We'll carry on down this path and we'll look for some more murals, my friends. Alright Chicos, so the other one here is at the Legion, dedicated to the glory of God and in memory of the men and women who served our country. Let's go check out the Legion one. And then we'll go across the highway, check out that one. Oh, of course you got the poppy fields. At the going down of the sun and in the morning, we will remember them. All right, guys, let's carry on. All right, Chicos, we found the next one here. I'm running out of memory on my card. I was gonna replace it before I left and I never did. We're down to 30 minutes. We might be okay. Anyway, pretty beautiful. So we're just across the highway here. We got one more to look at over at this end of town and we go for a ride. Pretty nice murals though, very nice. Well done. Okay, and here's my whip. Just got a brand new back tire on it, wide white walls, and it's a Jeep bike. Okay, let's go, let's go. Hi.
Hello.
It's by a busy restaurant, it says, so I'm thinking it's over there. It's kind of a restaurant mural. So, and there's the highways right here, so, and there's restaurants, fast food joints all along here. So I think maybe we'll loop back around and we'll head over there, guys. Nice little park though, beautiful. Sorry about the wind, amigos. Alright, chicos, that was a hunt for this one. At the McDonald's, of course. No, that's it. Back when they had the car hop days. Yeah, I really had to hunt for this one. Wasn't sure where it was. Maybe we can get a better view going back. Alright, let's carry on. Alright guys, here's the other one. It's right at the skate park. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And the skate park is right over there, chicos. Okay, let's carry on here. What do we got left? 25 minutes, should be alright. There goes the map. We got the skateboard park here. Skateboard park. Going through the tunnel here. Cool. Okay, I gotta turn around and go back, but I wanted to check out this tunnel. Alright, chicos, we got another one. Very, very nice. Got the fire hall. Very cool. This one's in the shade a little bit, but get a glare. There we go. Well guys, we'll look at one or two more here, and I'm gonna go back and spend some time with my mom. Trying to get as much time as I can in. I came here to visit my mom and dad. Well, let's go, guys. Alright guys, we found the other ones here, and we are in the seniors lodge right here. Kind of hard to see. Oh, there's that one. And we got another one right here, which is pretty cool. Very, very nice. We'll walk around to the back of this one here. Oh yeah, I really like this one. This one's really nice. This is definitely one of my favorites right here, guys. One of my favorites. Love it. You got the kids playing ball, you got the little girl feeding the chickens, you got the old farm truck with the farmers, you got the kids in school, and you got the workers up there framing the building a farmhouse or shed or whatever they're building there. Very nice. Beautiful area. I'm just talking to an old man here from Poland, but's lived in Canada for quite a while. There's that one. Very nice. Very, very nice. Well guys, this will be it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. God bless everybody out there. Be kind to one another as always. And last but not least, that's it. Well, you guys have yourselves a fabulous day. Thanks for being here with me again. I truly, truly appreciate it. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Well, I'm gonna head back and spend some time with my mom, guys. Hasta luego.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby.